again.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm introducing a new car to the channel. This is going to be my daily. Very exciting. I can finally stop dailying the Miata and actually work on fixing it now. So let's show you the new car and talk about it. So I picked up a screaming deal on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it's got a few issues, of course, but know the whole history on this car as it is a family member's previous car. So it's already had the rockers done, has a brand new radiator, a bunch of stuff like that. It needs a wheel bearing and it needs a thermostat and just other minor stuff. I just had to put tires on it, which is a whole situation that literally 12 hours into owning the car ran over a nail, and I was hoping to get to next winter before replacing these tires, but instead we had to replace them now. But anywho, let's take a look at my new Jeep Grand Cherokee. All right, this is her. It is a 2015 Limited. Though you guys have really never seen this car, it has been around. We take it to a lot of the track days and have done some emergency tows with it. So it can pull a car, which is nice, and just a nice thing to have backup for, you know, maybe when we don't always want to take the truck everywhere. So this will be nice. Of course, it's a little dirty right now because, you know, winter, but she get a good clean on it and she's gonna look really good. I mean, like, physically the most damage is the taillights here, and I think there's some scratching on the door from their dog, but again, cheap beater SUV that gets decent gas mileage. Overall is a good car. We know the history of it, can't complain. It is gonna need a serious detail, so keep an eye out for that. That's gonna be the next video. But it's like a newer modern car, which is nice. It's got a heated steering wheel, it's got heated seats, it's got a nice back row. River will love that. So I am super stoked for it. It's got 230,000 miles on it. It's the V6 model, so you know, I'm not getting crazy with the V8 because we already know the issues that has. So the radiator just got replaced, had a leak right up here that was spraying all over the place, but now right after that, after the dealer replaced it, the thermostat decided to let go, so that'll be my project. It also needs at least this wheel bearing and potentially brakes, but it drives really well, seems super solid, so yay. And because 12 hours into ownership, we did have to get it new tires due to getting a nail in the tire. Please enjoy my brand new tires. They cost us a lot of money. One other thing I find really annoying that I want to get fixed is this door started becoming really heavy. I noticed it about maybe 6 months ago now. Like I said, it's a family member's car, so been in this car plenty of times, but it's like it takes so much effort to close, like just a casual, like it won't close. And it didn't used to be this way, so I think, I don't know, maybe these need some like lube or something like that, because it is like, you have to put your whole body into closing the door now, which is just a little much. And this is my not as strong wrist anymore from surgery, so I would like to get that sorted because it's really annoying to get in the car. Here, I will demonstrate for you actually. Let me demonstrate how difficult this door is to close, okay? This is one hand casual normal door closure. What I feel like on any of my other cars would close the door. To get it to close on this car, wind up the second arm. Oh, it still didn't close all the way. My point. My point is, this door is very difficult to close and it's really annoying, and that's something I want to fix as soon as possible. Yeah, but other than that, car's in really good shape. It's 10 years old, has 230,000 miles on it, which has all been commuter miles, all highway miles, and was not driven aggressively at all. I think the toughest miles that this thing has had has been with me and John. So with that being said, this thing is gonna be great. I'm really excited for it. I'm really excited to like sit the Miata back and start fixing it and, you know, getting it where I want it to be. And this will allow me to do that because I've still been driving the Miata because it's the most suitable daily right now, believe it or not. So now I actually have a daily driver, yay. So I think first video is going to be getting this thing all cleaned up on the inside because I'm a very clean person. I hate when my cars get dirty. So I just want to have a nice clean slate with this, get everything out, get all the trash out, get all the dirt out, because like I said, they lived on a dirt road, so lots of dirt and sand is in the car. No fault of their own, you can't help it, especially in the winter with the snow. So no one's fault, but we are gonna get it cleaned out and have a nice fresh start so that I can keep up with it better. So that'll be the next video, and then after that will be the thermostat and the wheel bearing and potentially brakes coming up. I'm gonna have to look into it though once I take the wheels off. So yeah, a little list of things to do, nothing crazy, and luckily it's an American car right near where they were made, so pretty cheap parts, which is nice, especially for a daily. And it's nice and new, and it has modern amenities. I think it would be nice if we could figure out how to add like CarPlay to this, but otherwise I'm really happy. This is great and was such a good deal, and I'm very appreciative to our family members for giving us the opportunity to take this thing over because we really enjoy this car. So I'm glad it's staying in the family. Yeah, so there's a lot going on and I want to share it with you guys. I know I've been saying that for the last few videos, but it's just kind of something that I want to make sure is wrapped up and finished before I share it with you guys. So fingers crossed in the next like video or two you guys see, I'll be able to start talking about it and showing you guys this big thing that's been going on in the background. And there's still other smaller projects that are going on in the background too that I'm still not yet able to talk about, but coming soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're excited for Jeep content because boy was this unexpected. I really did not expect to get this car right now, but it was a good deal and we couldn't pass it up. So here we go on the next project car, Project Daily. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.